Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrian. We got a sit down video to go through some empties. Here's all the items that I've went through within the past couple months that I've been saving all this trash. I'm ready to get rid of it. So I finally have time to do a sit down video. I have everything from perfumes to body washes to skincare to hair products. So let's get into it. First off, let's do like a little quick OOTD. This hair is from Vivi. I'll have a link down below. This bodysuit, it's actually not a bodysuit. This top is from Pumi off of Amazon. Necklaces from Amazon. Lashes are Amazon. Lipstick is ABH. Is that everything is that everything? Yeah, let's go. So these are items that I have used up and I definitely want to give you guys to let you know if I would repurchase it. A quick recap review of each product. That's what a product empties video is. It's kind of an OG YouTube video. I used to love watching these. So instead of me having to like separate from skincare, perfume, all this stuff, I want to just kind of grab stuff at random. All right, starting off strong. This is the Into the Night Bath and Body Works body wash that y'all, I have repurchased this over and over and over again. I use it. I love the way it smells. This scent lingers for like outside of the shower, and which is why I highly like it a lot and highly recommend it. I always buy these on sale when they go on sale for like $5.95, especially around the holidays. Now is when these would go on sale. Black Friday, the Yellow Duck sale. Anytime I can get these, this is like my favorite scent that I keep repurchasing. I started out buying this in the trial size and I used it out of town like while we were traveling, and then I went and brought the big one, and I have like 4 backups of these. So yes, I will keep repurchasing these, and you got to get this scent Into the Night. You're welcome. All right, so next is this Topicals Fade Cream. I used this whole jar and I don't know if I would repurchase this. I did like it. I just feel like I have to use it. I don't know. I feel like I used it religiously, but I didn't see any huge improvements where I said, oh my gosh, I think that this works. I incorporated this with purposely using fading face wash, topicals, and then I use the Fading the Dark Spot Serum Toner by Ole Hendrickson. I tried to, like, you know, make sure that I focus on my dark spots, because right here is where my acne and my breakouts are, hormonal acne. I can't say that I saw a huge difference. So would I repurchase it? If it goes on sale, I probably would, but it's nothing that I say that I think you guys have to go out and get. Miss Josie Maran. Okay, so this was sent to me in PR, okay? And as you can see, okay, I haven't had this. Matter of fact, I opened this with you guys a couple vlogs back, and I told you that I think it was worth the money. However, I didn't pay for it, but I will repurchase this. This is the Topless Tangerine scent, and it is tangerine and pink grapefruit. Oh, it does smell so good. Oh, I got a little bit left. Oh, this is the scrub. This is the scrub. This isn't even a lotion. I ain't went through the lotion yet. So this is the scrub. Oh, I got a little bit left. I'm gonna use this last little bit out. I like it. I like it. I want to say that this 13.5 ounce, I don't know how much it is. Here I'm telling y'all it's worth the money. I ain't even go do my own research. The Sephora sale is going on now, so I probably should go ahead and buy one to put my money where my mouth is. So for this size, it's $49. Yes, I would buy this while it's on the Sephora sale. So $50 for this, and it lasted me a while. Like, but I don't feel like this is equivalent to the Tree Hut body scrubs. I really feel like this is kind of more of a luxurious, because this kind of leaves like a oil, I'm gonna say an oil film. It kind of leaves like your skin feeling moisturized after it. I don't get that from Tree Hut, so that's why I think that this stands on its own as far as when it comes down to body scrubs. Y'all know what, I would be honest with you guys and say that, you know, I think, oh, Tree Hut is the same. I don't think it's the same. I think Josie Maran is a step above, and I like her, and I will repurchase her. All right, next is this perfume, Miss Girl by Oakcha. This is a collab with Paul Reacts. He's a big perfume TikToker perfume influencer on TikTok. He collabed it with Oakcha, and I have used this whole thing up, okay? This scent is a Lost Cherry and Baccarat Rouge had a baby. That's what this is. I once repurchased this, but I think this was limited edition because it was a collab. This smells so good, and when I tell you guys, it literally lasts all day. And I want to say it was $49 for this bottle, but whenever he said that it was Baccarat Rouge and Lost Cherry had a baby, it was immediately purchased, add to the cart. The only thing that I could say that I did not really care for is the packaging, because I couldn't see when I was almost out. And as you can see, I am completely oh girl, I'm getting a little bit more out of here. I'm completely out, but y'all, this smells so good. I really think that if Oakcha, if you can find this online, I highly recommend it. It's Oakcha times Paul, called Miss Girl. I have his Viral Vanilla too, but I don't reach for that one as much. This one here, I was wearing, as you can see, I wore it. I have a lot of perfumes, and for me to say that I wore this one out, 1.7 ounce, I wore this one out. No really surprise there. All right, so since I'm on perfumes, I'm gonna go ahead and go to these two. This one is Somebody Would by Phlur. I got this one during the Sephora sale a while back. I want to say maybe in the spring or last fall. It's not my favorite from Phlur. It's a woody scent, but it's just not. It's a fall scent. I've seen people talk about it. There's nothing that I wouldn't repurchase this again. Missing Person, however, I've already brought her again. Okay, Missing Person is the perfect fall color. This is actually how I discovered Phlur, and somehow I end up on their PR list. Only God knows. Thank you, Lord. But they end up sending me the whole line of Missing Person. Absolutely. I got the body wash, the body cream, the body oil, the perfume, and then for the Sephora sale that's going on now, I just repurchased it. It's a gift set. The trial size and the other one. Missing Person smells amazing. I think if anybody's going to buy anything from Phlur, it must be either Father Figure or Missing Person. Those are my two favorite scents from Phlur. All right, next is the Nars. This is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I am in the shade Bellum. This took me a little while to use all of it. I do like it a lot. I do think that the foundation color matches me good. The formula is good. I would repurchase this. However, I just wish I would have reached for this a little bit more. It took me a while to go through, but I have a lot of foundations. So I can't say that I'm like, you have to get this, my most favorite foundation of all times. I do like it. This is my only foundation that I own from Nars. And yes, I would repurchase it, and I do like it. So there's that. Back to body scrubs. Tree Hut. Hello. I do body scrubs at least 2 to 3 times a week. I exfoliate my legs because I shave pretty much twice a week. And I exfoliate before I shave. So this is the Moroccan Rose. This is my favorite scent from Tree Hut. I've purchased these in bulks because I truly like this, and I love this one. It's a sugar scrub, and this one has Moroccan argan oil, rose hip oil, and shea butter. I like it. I like it a lot. This is a good drugstore option if you don't want to splurge on a Josie Maran, but if you want to feel like a little luxurious, definitely the Josie Maran one. But the Moroccan Rose is like $8 or $9 from Target and Ulta. I think it's cheaper at Target, but definitely try this scent out. I brought this for Akaya for her graduation. Oh, it smells so good. Not her graduation, her senior bucket. I got her the scrub, I got her the body oil, and I got her the body wash. Moroccan Rose. It smells so good. So good. All right, next is this Miche deep conditioner. This is the moisturizing deep conditioner. I love the smell of it. I don't think I would repurchase it. Miche was that girl back then in like 2020. Miche was that girl. She's just not that girl for me no more. So I have not. I went and I would purchase all the time, Black Friday sales and everything, but I just don't reach for it anymore. Just like there's other things out there. I've stuck more to Perology. The Fenty Beauty, I love that one a lot. The Fenty shampoo, that has been my jam. That's what I've been using for my wash days. So Miche, I had to make myself use this up. So I would not repurchase this again. I don't think it's a bad product. It's just that I have other products out there that I tend to gravitate more. So she's been outshined by other things in the market now. This is a face scrub, a turmeric face scrub that I got in. This had to have been in an Ipsy box, girl. I don't know where I got this from. This is in one of the boxes way back when I used to get all those boxes. I would not repurchase this because obviously I've had this for over a year and a half or 2 years, and I'm just now using it. I didn't see a huge difference. This is a turmeric brightening polish, supposed to be able to like make your skin look brighter because turmeric is a fading option. Didn't see a difference. So this brand, they've ever heard of it, Volition. I don't know if this is an overseas brand or what. I would pass. I would not recommend, and I would not repurchase. Estée Lauder. This was sent to me in PR. This is a 2-in-1 foaming cleanser. I really did like this. However, the price point, I would not repurchase this with my own coins. Okay, I like her. If you can get her on sale, I think you should buy it. I would not pay full price for her. I really liked how foamy this was. It did not take a lot, and I used all of it. I used all of it. I did like it, but I would not pay my own money for it. There's that. Estée Lauder, another one. This one is the Advanced Night Repair. I did like this a lot, and I used all of it. Y'all know I use a lot of skincare, okay? But again, for me to use up a whole thing, if they send it to me, I would use it again. Okay, would I purchase my own money? No, absolutely not. This is so expensive. This is like $80 or $90. So expensive. And I just think that there's other good skincare products out there that is probably a fraction of the cost. And just for me, honestly, I didn't see a huge difference to say, oh, then my skin looked, you know, brighter and firmer overnight. You know, I just didn't see that for this. It did give my skin a nice glow, which is why I continue to use this at night. And I like the consistency of it. It's just very expensive. But you pay, it's a name brand, it's a niche brand. Estée Lauder is known to be luxurious. So I love their foundation, by the way. And I purchased that several times. However, the skincare, I just can't justify it. Rice water. Okay, if you watch any of my vlogs, you know that I found this at a Marshalls or TJ Maxx a while back, and I brought like 5 or 6 of these. They changed the packaging of this, and this is the best cleansing oil. It's by the Face Shop. If I can link it, I will down below. I think Walmart sells it now. This is a light cleansing oil, but when I say that it gets all of my makeup off, and I want to say this was like less than $10 to $15. Love this stuff. I have like 3 backups for this. I love it a lot. I even brought one for my coworkers and gave them one, and they even said they liked it. Okay, Sharice or Brittany, if you're watching this, chime down below, let them know, let the girls know I tell no lies. I may tell a joke, but I don't tell no lies. This is so good. This is the Snail Mucin cleanser. I have already repurchased this. I think I purchased 2 more of these when Ulta had them on sale. I like this so much. Now I'll be honest with you, I did let my coworker use it and see if she liked it, and she said it was too slimy. Like, she said it took forever for her to get the face wash off her face. You don't need a lot. I like it though. I like it. Listen, and this is the thing about these quick rapid fire reviews, is that just because I like it doesn't mean that you will like it. I think it's a good cleanser. I really do, and I stand by it. She also has a soft water system. So y'all know how if you're familiar with soft water, it takes a lot to get stuff off. It kind of leaves like a filmy. I don't have that, so I don't have that problem. So I think that's the issue between both of us. If you have a soft water system, then just keep that in mind. You don't need a lot. It'll last a long time. Under $20 cleanser. I like this. I think if you like the Snail Mucin, you will like this. Oh, Miss Melanin hair care. Y'all was on this journey with me as well if you watch my vlogs. I love this deep conditioner. This is the plumping one. Is it the plumping one? Yes, plumping deep conditioner. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. When Ulta had it 50% off, I would pay full price for it, but y'all know a girl like a sale, okay? When it's on sale, so give me the sale, okay? I am all about for supporting black business, but baby, I'm all about saving my coins too, okay? So Ulta had this 50% off, and I went and found the last 2 because they were sold out online. This is so good. It makes my hair, it gives me so much slip. My hair feels so deeply conditioned when I get out the shower with this. Silkening and strengthening melanin hair care. Love this stuff. And then I use the twisting cream to do my flat twist under my wigs. So good. Mɪʀᴇᴇᴜ de Janiero number 48. Again, one of my vlogs, when I smelled this in store, I was like, I don't need it. And I sprayed on myself. I was like, I'm not impressed. Girl, it wasn't even till 5 minutes after I walked out the store, or walked past the store, I was like, the dry down, phenomenal. Smells so good. I really like this. I have every scent of Mɪʀᴇᴜ de Janiero. And 48 is really good. This is one of their newer ones. I think it's pink grapefruit or something like that. It's good. It's good. Is it pink grapefruit? Oh, guava nectar. 48 is good. 48 is good for the girls. I wear these to bed. I wear these at nighttime. Mɪʀᴇᴜ, okay? Mɪʀᴇᴜ body cream. I would not recommend. I would not purchase this again. I forced myself to finish this bottle because it was $40. $40? Yes, $40. I would not. Nope. I just think that there's other body creams out there that do the same thing. The scents didn't wow me. It smelled like a Mɪʀᴇᴜ de Janiero scent that I could get from one of them. So yeah, the Ouai body cream, wouldn't recommend. Eco Styler gel, okay, speaks for itself. Big jar, okay. I like to use this for my edges, to lay my edges down under my wigs. I will continue to repurchase. Eco can do no wrong. I don't care what they say. The scam they had going on years, I don't care. I'ma still buy Eco gel, period. And the red top is my favorite. Milk. This is oh girl, this is the spray. I already got the big size because I loved it so much. Now this is a dewy setting spray. If you don't like, and I'm an oily girl, I don't like dewy sprays, but this right here just melts my makeup all together, and then I go behind it with the one size and it locks it in place. And even though if I just put just this on, I will be a dewy, greasy meatball with a chance of rain by the end of the day. No. One size has to go, or the L'Oreal has to go on top of it to lock it in to keep it sealed. Then your makeup is good. So it doesn't look crusty, because sometimes I feel like that when you use a mattifying primer, a mattifying foundation, then a mattifying spray, your face just looks like it's like crusty, like doesn't move. Like if you smile too hard, it'll crack. I don't like that, because not till the end of the day where I feel like my face is finally starting to move. But this right here just cracks the code. I like it a lot. I would definitely suggest purchasing it in the trial size first, see if you like it, and then, like I did, commit to the big size. Girl, we getting through this thing kind of fast, girl. Y'all don't talk fast. Fenty Hair. Okay, so the deep conditioner, the richer one deep conditioner. I said this, I bought this when this first came out. I did a review, and I told you guys that this was not my favorite. I forced myself to use this. I did not repurchase it. When I went and bought some more, the shampoo and the curl cream, hands down, the best products I've ever had used in my life, and my favorite curly hair product. Deep conditioner, nope. But I have incorporated the Fenty shampoo, this deep conditioner, and then the twisting cream, and the what is it I said I like? Oh, the curl cream whenever I want my hair in the wash and go. But the Melanin twisting cream for under here, that's my signature cocktail for my hair, and it works. My hair is moisturized, it's clean, I love it. Deep conditioner definitely will pass. So yeah, the scent of it smells really good, but my hair didn't feel moisturized when I rinsed it out, so I'll pass on that. Almost to the end, girl. Nerium. This is their Glow Getter multi-oil body wash. Nerium. This is the first thing I tried from them. Was not impressed. I can't say that I would, oh my god, I have to buy this. It is an oil and it turns into a gel, but it wasn't foamy. I like a good foamy body wash. I didn't get that from this. So I forced myself to use the rest of it. I wouldn't repurchase it again. I haven't missed it since I went out of it. I hadn't missed it. Last but not least is the Black Girl Sunscreen. This is the 30 SPF. I would not repurchase this again. I'm sorry. I'm all about black businesses, but I'm also about my coin. I would not. And the reason why I would not repurchase this again is because I felt like, okay, did not leave a white cast or a white residue, but my face felt super oily. This is something I could not wear under makeup. This is something that I forced myself to put on Saturdays if I was going to the soccer field, or if I was going out to be in the sun at my sister's house. If I was going swimming that day, I would use it. It's just not an everyday sunscreen for me to go under makeup, because I do wear makeup 90% of the time. So that's a reason why I would not repurchase this. There's some people who love it, and then there's some people who hate it, and that's just me. I wouldn't say hate it. It's just not. It just wasn't for me. If you have oily skin, you will understand what I mean when it comes down to that. But yeah, that's my thoughts on the Black Girl Sunscreen. All right, this is the end of the video. That is all of my empties that I have used up for this probably past 3 months. If you guys enjoyed this type of video, please be sure to make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below. I love chatting with y'all. What are y'all empties? What are y'all loving? And that's it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel on your way out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.